Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to find your Binance trade history on the mobile app. So the first thing you need to do is to go over to Home and then click on the search icon in the top right. Now just click on a random pair, the pair really doesn't matter. Then you want to click on buy or sell and click on the icon in the bottom right. You'll then see the spot open orders, order history and trades history. So you need to go over to trade history and click on the filter icon in the top right. Here you can filter your orders, so you can select a date. I'll go with 3 months. You can then select a pair, and if you don't select a pair, the only other option is all. And you can then select the type, so a buy order or a sell order or just all type of orders. And you can then go ahead and click on confirm. And as you guys can see, right here you can see your buy trade history and your sell trade history. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.